What's going on, guys? My name's Gerard. Today we're gonna learn how to backside feeble stall. Before you learn this trick, you should know how to backside kick turn and drop in. Feeble stall is a trick that'll get you a lot of style points on the mini ramp. By definition, a feeble is kind of a 50-50 and a board slide combined. So the idea is your back truck is locked in onto the coping. Your front truck is gonna be off to the side so your board can touch the coping. On a ramp like mine, it's only 3 feet tall. The transition's not steep enough for the board to hit the coping. The idea is that you have this dipped look so your back truck is on the coping and it looks like your board is too. Some people learn feeble stalls before they learn axle stall. That's why I didn't say you need to know axle stall to learn this trick. But I think having axle stall down first is gonna make feeble stalls a lot easier and look a lot better. So to do the trick, you're gonna wanna ride up, do about half of a kick turn on the coping, make sure you lock onto your back wheel, and rest your front truck up on the deck. Then on your back foot, you're gonna wanna dip your toe back into the ramp to get that feeble look. When you're ready to come in, it is a little bit further turn than an axle stall, so just keep that in mind. Make sure you put pressure on your back foot so your truck's clear of the coping, turn your shoulders, and ride back in. One of the problems I'll see people have early on is they'll lock all the way up on their truck, so it kind of just looks like an axle stall that you missed. When you do that, you can't really dip your toe to get that back truck into the ramp, so make sure you lock into that back wheel to get that feeble look. Put enough pressure on your back foot so that front truck clears, turn your shoulders, and you just landed the trick. Backside feeble stall is a really stylish trick that'll help you break up that monotony of axle stall after axle stall. Woo! Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Let me know what trick you want to learn next or what trick you want to see me learn next. And if you learn a new trick, send a video my way. You might find yourself at the end of the next video. See you guys next time.